So you want to monetize your Facebook. Super easy. Go to professional dashboard if you have a business page. Then you want to look at all of those wonderful things, but scroll over to monetization. But you want to know what each one of these means. Go through each tab and dive into it. But the one I want to make sure that we pay attention to are partnership ads right here. Partnership ads are just what the name says. A partnership between you and a major brand who is deciding to boost your post and pay the platform, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, to amplify your video throughout the entire system and pay for an ad on it. Yes. So this is not something that's directly going to compensate you. This is a part of monetizing your platform and your brand and your voice to actually maximize reach. You can do it on each and every platform.
Is this on other platforms?
On TikTok, also on Instagram. There is a such thing on YouTube as well.